Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Niro versus the Kia Sportage. We will examine their key distinctions, from overall dimensions to engine options and starting costs. This comparison will help you determine which of these popular SUVs aligns best with your driving preferences and daily requirements. Let's dive into the details to find your ideal vehicle. The Niro excels in fuel economy, with its hybrid and plug-in hybrid options delivering impressive miles per gallon. The Sportage, however, offers more robust engine choices, including a powerful turbocharged option, providing greater horsepower and a higher towing capacity. Your choice depends on whether efficiency or raw power and utility are your top priorities for the road. Inside, the Sportage provides a noticeably larger cabin and more generous cargo volume, making it ideal for families or those needing extra space. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced infotainment systems, often featuring large touchscreens and a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. The Niro, while smaller, still delivers a comfortable and well-appointed interior experience. When it comes to pricing, the Niro generally starts at a more accessible point, offering great value for its efficiency and features. The Sportage, with its larger size, more powerful engines, and often more upscale amenities, commands a higher price. Consider your budget and what features are most important to you. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.